Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back to part 2. In this section, we're picking up right where we left off and going deeper into the topic. Let's continue. Classic Korean Bingsu ice cream flavors. Pat Bingsu is the original. It comes with sweet red bean paste, milk shaved ice, mochi rice cakes, and often condensed milk. Add a scoop of vanilla or milk ice cream, and you get a mix of milky, earthy, and gently sweet flavors. If you like desserts that are not too sugary, Pat Bingsu is a great first choice. Injalmi Bingsu uses roasted soybean powder and chewy rice cakes. Cafes often add sliced almonds, condensed milk, and vanilla ice cream. It tastes nutty, toasty, and a little like peanut butter without the stickiness. This style is perfect if you enjoy nut flavors and a chewy bite. Many places also serve green tea or matcha bingsu. The shaved ice and ice cream are flavored with matcha, then topped with red beans, mochi, or chocolate. It tastes slightly bitter and grassy, balanced by the sweetness of the milk and toppings, ideal for tea lovers. Fruity bingsu ice cream for a lighter treat. Fruit bingsu is all about bright color and juicy bites. Popular picks include mango, strawberry, melon, and mixed fruit. Picture a bowl of white shaved milk ice, covered with cubes of ripe mango, a drizzle of mango syrup, and a scoop of vanilla or mango ice cream on top. Strawberry bingsu often comes with fresh berries, strawberry sauce, whipped cream, and vanilla or yogurt ice cream. Some shops use frozen milk and yogurt for the base, which adds a tangy twist. Melon bingsu might arrive in a hollowed melon half, filled with melon balls and ice cream. Fruit-based bingsu ice cream feels light and refreshing, especially compared to a heavy American sundae. You still get sweetness, but the fresh fruit adds water and fiber, so the dessert does not feel as dense. Over-the-top toppings, how bingsu gets its fun look. Toppings are where bingsu ice cream really stands out. Cafes use a mix of color, crunch, and flavor to build that dramatic look you see in photos. You will often see sweetened condensed milk, cereal flakes or granola, cookie crumbs or brownie pieces, cheesecake cubes, fruit jelly or rubber pearls, whipped cream and nuts. These toppings do more than look pretty. Crunchy cereal, nuts, or cookie bits balance the softness of the ice and ice cream. Jelly and boba add bounce and chew. A smart trick is to mix textures, like soft mango with crunchy almond slices, so every spoonful feels different. Is bingsu ice cream lighter or healthier than regular ice cream? Many people think bingsu ice cream feels lighter than a full bowl of ice cream. That makes sense, because much of a bingsu bowl is shaved ice, not dairy. You get volume and a cold, refreshing feel without as much cream. That does not make it a health food. Syrups, condensed milk, ice cream, and sweet toppings still add sugar and calories. If you want a lighter bowl, you can choose more fresh fruit and fewer candy toppings. Use 1 small scoop of ice cream instead of 2. Ask for less syrup or condensed milk. Share a large bowl with a friend. You still enjoy the fun of bingsu ice cream, just with a bit more balance. How to enjoy bingsu ice cream. Ordering tips and easy home ideas. How to order bingsu ice cream at a cafe without feeling lost. A bingsu menu can look a little crowded at first, but the steps are simple. Most cafes let you pick size, base flavor, a set flavor, and extra toppings. Good first-time orders include mango bingsu with vanilla ice cream if you like fruit, or classic pat bingsu if you want a more traditional taste. If you visit with friends, order a large bowl for the table and a couple of spoons. Bingsu melts fast, so snap your photos quickly, then start eating from the top and gently mix as you go. That way the syrup and milk spread through the ice instead of pooling at the bottom. Thank you for watching part 2. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.